Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aries, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. Aries, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, guys. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, guys. Aries. And I also have a special fairy tale pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So if you are interested, you can stay tuned for that, guys. That may answer any questions or doubts you have in your mind about your situation, guys. So let's see what are these cards. Aries, we have Apprentice of Spheres in reverse, the Moon, and Five of Moons. So, Aries, with these cards in your situation, guys, it may be in your career or in your love situation. So, maybe for some of you, you have someone in your life who is indulging too much in your decisions, or when you are making some important choices, maybe in your career or personal life. They are suggesting you certain things, or they are imposing their ideas on you. They want you to live by their rules, and they are trying to dominate you in whatever way they can, guys, and it is causing lot of stress, and you are simply suffering because of that, because you may not share their vision, and they don't have that truthful intentions on you, and you know about it, but they are someone who's holding an important position, guys. So you cannot what to say avoid this person. So that is the reason you are listening to their ideas, but you feel really sad and stressed because you are in such a state listening to this person, guys. And also for some of you, you know, because of these troubles or because of the situation going in such a way, you know what is the right thing to do. Some kind of understanding has come to you, and there is something coming in your situation, guys. Maybe you have your intuition telling you what you need to do today, or there is some kind of a turning point in your circumstance. So that is going to give you more clarity in your situation, and you are going to have a better understanding, and you may see the truth what needs to be done today to make things go in a better way, guys. And this may be this turning point, it may be something taking you by surprise, something which you never expected to happen today, but you're in your heart of hearts, you know that this is the right thing, or something telling you to go by that choice. Maybe something telling you that you can take up that choice or take up that decision, guys. So that is the uh, energy with these cards, guys. Or something is pushing you towards certain choices or certain paths. So that may be the reason for the turning point, or your circumstances are simply changing, pushing you towards something good, guys. Aries. So let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. So we have the Sun. So in your relationship, guys, Aries, I see that you are going to have happiness, that emotional satisfaction, contentment, guys. And maybe if you are with the person you love, it may this relationship will step up towards marriage or a deep commitment engagement, or if you are open to a new relationship, there is someone interested in you coming towards you. They are going to propose to you guys. So I see joy and happiness for you in your love situation, guys, Aries. So let's see what is the card specific to your career situation. So it is Ace of Stars in reverse. So in your situation, guys, you are making a lot of you are holding lot of ideas and you're making lot of efforts, trying really hard, and maybe today you are learning the truth, maybe the reason for your success or the reason for your failures. What is the truth that is being revealed to you guys, Aries, today? And you have a better understanding today, guys, and how to go about things in a better way. So that is the reading, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, Aries, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here today. So if you have any questions or confusions in your mind about your situation, you can think about it, close your eyes and meditate with these crystals. So whichever uh, crystal comes to you first after you open your eyes, you can choose the card. So that reading may resonate, guys. That may answer some questions you have in your mind about your situation. So I will start with this card. This is your first card. Let's start the reading after 2 seconds of silence, guys. Okay, guys. So now let's see what is the first card. We will keep this card aside. So let's see what it is. Water and salt. Truth. So with this card, guys, the reading for you all in your situation today, maybe you are speaking the truth or someone is speaking the plain truth without any without any cover up. They are not masking their truth, in the plain truth, and you, maybe it is you or it is your person, and you feel really stressed because of that, because for most of us, we are unable to digest the truth because a truth is always bitter, and maybe this person is honest. They have honest and truthful intentions towards us. That is the reason they are saying a few things, but we are unable to digest it. This may be your energy, or this person you're in a relationship with, it may be their energy, guys. So maybe today you may feel stressed or worried, or this person speaking truth, they may face a lot of anger from the other person. So for speaking truth, they may not be valued, they may even be punished, but in the long term this truth will just prove itself, guys. So you need to understand that today. So being honest, maybe face to face, just saying what we feel right and what is the truth in any circumstance. Maybe today it may not be taken well by the people around us, but in time it will prove right, and they will understand your worth, and they will understand the worth of your love. And the present discomfort will be worth it when they understand why you spoke those words. So this may be your energy, or this person you're love with, their energy, guys. Maybe you are facing some difficulties because of those honest words you have spoken today, but you need not worry. Your truth will win, guys. That is what I see with these cards, guys, for those who have chosen this card, the first card. So let's see what is the second card. We will keep this card aside. So for those who have chosen the second card, the Frog Prince, intimacy. So sometimes in life, we are afraid to let that other person see us totally, what we are emotionally and what we are psychologically. So we are avoiding some people, avoiding someone. Maybe they have true love towards us and they have truthful intentions towards us and they love us a lot, they like us a lot, but we are afraid to go close to them because we have some past fears or something is obstructing the way we are today. But we need to understand that only when you let that other person see what we are truthfully in our heart of hearts, you will be able to build that strong foundation for a beautiful relationship. So maybe you are keeping someone at a distance and you are trying to avoid them. Maybe you like them, but you have some kind of fear or something is blocking you in this relationship. Maybe it is time you share your feelings, spend time with this person, have that affection, bring that affection, grow that affection, and bring that closeness in this connection, guys, and build openness, having that open heart to heart communication. That is what is going to help you today to build a meaningful, intimate and a beautiful relationship with the other person. So you need to let go of your fears or whatever, maybe some ideals you may have, or the way of life, some ideas about the way of life, whatever you have, some kind of possessive attitude, whatever it is, you need to let go of that today, guys. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards for your reading. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.